ERYONE, known for top-tier 3D printing filaments, is introducing its high-speed Thinker X400 3D printer and new management software for 3D printing farms. The printer features a sturdy spool holder for up to 5 kg filaments and a 5-inch touchscreen for easy use. The production management software lets you run farm printers in batches, making printing easier with one-click job sending. It meets farm production needs, increase productivity, while the printer can handle various tasks. Printer has larger print volume, expands printing possibilities, automatic data labeling, less manual work, smoother production. Efficient cooling system for better nozzle cooling. Quick release nozzle for easy maintenance. The printer saves production time with speeds of up to 500 mm per second. Activated carbon air filtration ensures a cleaner, safer environment when printing with older producing filaments. Built-in AI camera offers remote monitoring and image recognition, letting you track products anytime and anywhere. The printer's robust all-metal frame and stackable design save space while maximizing printing efficiency. The flexible PEI plate makes removing prints quick and easy. The printer's high-temperature spade and enclosed printer chamber allow it to handle various filaments. ERYONE offers the complete package for 3D printing, high-speed and large printers, quality filaments, and reliable management software.